Welcome to our next episode of Big Lit TV. You are tuned in with Uswakile all the way from Maritzburg. So today we are in Durban and we're going to be doing our challenges lawa dumile nwaziyo bafethu. So besikunikeza amaqanda awu6 and then with that if you complete the challenge so kunikeza u100 straight up. So sazobheka abantu and then we do the challenge. Let's get to it. Sekunjalo ke bafethu sekunjalo sesifikile endaweni yesigameko kuzokwenzeka manje sekuyileso sikhathi bafethu ngiphethe la umfowethu la bafo ngicela uzintroduce.
Okay, my name is Ronaldo Gwende. I come to participate this program, this challenge for 6 eggs, but mina I used to take 2 each and every morning at home. So can I have eggs to test?
Hayi ngathi ayinasikhathi le ndoda ijahile and uyayibona ukuthi imisele kuzoshaya umsebenzi akube njalo sekuyisikhathi ukuthi kubambele labafu kube lula.
This is the thing what we are going to do. We are starting with a 1.
Yeah. Vele into oyijwayele le bafu.
Yes, I used to do it at home, you know.
No, one at a time.
One at a time.
Yeah,
I can put it.
Carry on with that one. Yeah.
Okay. This is guys what I normally do at home.
Sekunjalo ke bafethu nangelishaya hayibo.
So you know the taste of it is sweet. Normally you just think if you are going to the bed with a woman you have to be have a you see so
ayakana skad lo muntu. Let's go to another one ngempela hey.
Another one guys we do.
Hayi ngeke la bafethu sithole omunye umuntu la one at a time bafu.
One at a time.
I'm already
No, don't.
It's okay.
Okay, asilibeke leli bafu ngoba usuze wale albea.
Yes, this is nice, tastes good, tastes good and sweet and it's healthy. Actually guys, you have to do this each and every morning so that you can be healthy and also at the bed and your wife you know.
Okay, can I ask you something? You don't feel like you need to vomit or something?
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's continue with the challenge. Let's continue.
So now I have 3 already. So I'm going to another 3 more. 3 more.
One at a time.
One at a time. Okay, guys.
Let's go. This guy bafethu ngeke lo muntu ujwayele lento.
Sweet and I see my muscles is coming now, yeah? It's coming the muscles.
This guy is completing the task, guys. 2 more left. Last more 2. Last more 2.
Yeah.
One at a time.
Yes. Let's go.
Let us go.
This show, right?
Hayi ngeke bafethu ngeke solo omunye umuntu la.
We are going.
Now we are about to complete iqanda lokugcina leli bafethu.
Another 6 more so that I can show you how we do, so how you can be healthy. Yes, guys.
Mshayeleni izandla bafethu. First contestant wayishaya wayiqeda lento akana ndaba bafethu lo muntu.
You want even 6 more I can even take if you can be extent. I don't have a problem about that because you know.
Okay, but before ngiphazamise can you introduce your name again?
My name is Ronaldo Gwende.
And where you from?
I'm from Zim.
Oh hayi uRonaldo akagwende bafethu useyithathile le mali uyicomplete task without hesitate, without ukuphalaza, without anything. So my guy, well done. Ispani ushayile. What do you have to say? You can thank Big Lit TV. Big Lit
TV, I thank you today in this morning for Sunday for your blessings from God. I doesn't have anything. I come here to check for the food to eat. So now my stomach is coming big because I have some eggs. I have power. I thank you Big TV.
Yes.
For everything what you have to do this each and every Sunday and so that people they can know the eggs they are so healthy to eat eggs like 6 each and every morning.
Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngicela nimshayeleni izandla kokugcina ubafo uyishayile itask wayicomplete kamnandi. Now we are praying his prize. Bafo siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga. I thank God for blessing me in this morning. God